My name is Danielle, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was, but anyways. So, today's video is all about March's Boxycharm unboxing / try-on review. I'm excited to see what's in my box for this month. I've seen like 2 spoilers, but everything else I don't know. So, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. If you want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm for the month of March and see the look I create, just keep on watching. Alright, so I just cracked it open, and the first thing that's in this box, if it don't all fall out, is this card. Vacation. Oh, that's adorable. That's the vacation. That's cute. And it's got all the products on the back. We're not going to look at that. So the first thing that's in my box is this pretty vulgar thing. Make them blush. Okay, so this is a blush. Ooh, and it looks like that. Pretty. Alrighty. Can't wait to see what that looks like on my tweaks. Next thing is a Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Looks like that. I hope it's in the shade light. I don't know. Let's see. Packaging. Alright. That's a big tube. Okay. And that's what the wand looks like. I don't know. I don't really have a preference on the wand. As long as the mascara doesn't like seep under my eyes throughout the day. So, that's cool. Anyways. Next thing is this card from Butter London. 25% off your next $50 purchase. Oh, that's cool. Next is South Main 3-Eye Gel Pack. Reduce puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. And it looks like that. Let's open this up. Oh, that's cool. And it just has three packs in it. So I probably won't be using this today, just because this is like part of my nighttime routine that I don't really have. Just on occasion I do, a pamper me style thing. So, next in the box is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. Looks like that. Yeah, focus it. There we go. Oh, what do you got? Alright, ripping into the box. Alright, so the first brush I got is called Step 2 for the Shadow. And it's good. That's cool. Be cool for you. Decrease, doing more precisely things. And then, oh, okay. Step 1 for the money. That's cute. And it's just a flat brush. And the next one is Step 3, Go Girl Go. And it's got that kind of a tip. That's cute. So we'll be trying out these brushes and testing them out on the try on part of this video. They feel softish, but kind of roughish. So I don't know. I'm gonna try them out. Alright, so the last thing in the box is okay. That's some weird packaging. So it's like this. Okay, it's a eye palette. Ooh. By Boxycharm and Purr Cosmetics featuring, I don't know. This is cool. Let's see what's the stickies. So you open it up and it's this plastic that we don't need anymore. Oh, these are so pretty. Ooh, it's really springtime / summer. That's so pretty. Awesome. So, that's what I got in my box for the month of March. So, that's cool. This is a really good box. So I've already prepped my skin prior to filming. So, what I'm going to do is prep my eyelids and get those prepped. And I'm just going to use the Maybelline Master Prime. Let's zoom you in first. Going into the palette we got, I'm going to take Perfect right here. And I'm going to use the flat brush they gave us, the step 1, and set my eye primer. Next, I'm going to take Naked right there, this really peach orangey shade, and put that in my crease. That's my transition shade, and I'm taking the step 2 for the shadow and placing that down. So it's not a matte shade. It does have some shimmer in it, but it's coming off with no shimmer, but the pan has some shimmer. That is so pretty and pigmented. Alright, next I'm going to take BFF and put that on the outer edge. Oh, that's so pretty. Now I'm going to take Bay and put that on my lid. And with that, I'm taking step 1 brush, the flat brush, and put that on my lid. Oh my god, so pretty. And pigmented. Like, I don't even need setting spray, man. There is some fallout, as you can tell. It's like under my cheek, but that's okay. We could just wipe it away at the end. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my concealer and some contour and highlight and do my eyebrows, and I'll be alright back. Alright, so I'm back, and I did put on my highlighter because we are going to use this for part of the highlighting. So now I'm going to put on the blush, and in the box we got the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush, and it looks like this, and we're going to try it out. Whoa, that kicked it. Look at that powder. I was just like, let's tap that thing off. Really pigmented. Maybe go in with a light hand. Doesn't look like it's blending in well. It is not blending out well. Let's take my powder brush and try to smooth that out. Now it's highlight, and for highlight I'm just going to use my Purr bronzer and brighten highlight and take that middle shade and highlight my brow bone with using the Set 3 Go Girl. Use that brush and do the inner corner highlight with it. And then I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. For my under lash line, I'm going to go back to palette, and I'm going to take the blue shade Mia or MIA, whichever one it is, and put it under my lash line to bring in some color. So, that's the finished eye look. Oh my, oh my god. It's like, sweep that away. Not realize I had all that crap there. Alright, now trying out the Decker Lashes, Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. So that's the mascara on my eyelashes, and that's pretty. This eye look is pretty. Pretty. So, let me just set my face. Alright, so this is the finished look. I loved this month's Boxycharm. Now, the only thing that right now I see that may be an issue is the blush, but it is pigmented and it's really pretty. So I guess if you work with it a little bit more like I did, I kind of went over with my powder brush and went over it to blend it out a little bit more than what my blush brush would do, it went out pretty smoothly. So I guess you have to work with it a little bit, but it's really pretty. And the mascara blew me away. Like, whew, is pretty. The brushes, I love brushes. I didn't see anything wrong with them. They feel kind of cheap. I don't know. How much were the brushes? Like retail price. $23.15. I wouldn't pay that. That's just me. Just the way the ends feel kind of like you know, like a pencil. It feels like a pencil. a number 2 yellow pencil, just the way it feels, with a coating over it. I wouldn't pay $23. You can get like other brushes for $23, and they feel higher quality than this. And this brush is not like, I don't seek out these brushes, so that's another thing I wouldn't pay $23 for, but that's just me. Moving on. The palette, I loved it. I had to work with it a little bit more to like get a true honest review, but the looks pretty that I came up with is really pretty. I would have to work with it more and test it out a little bit more than what I just did. Thanks for following on my end. Have not got to try out the eye packs. Probably won't for like another month, to be honest. But it's there when I need them. Overall, I love the box. It was a good month. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed me unboxing it with you and trying on the makeup, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!